Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy crypto from Trust Wallet from US. So here is step-by-step guide on how to do this. So first, get Trust Wallet and secure it. Download Trust Wallet from the official iOS App Store or Google Play. Then open it, create a new wallet or import it, and then back up your recovery phrase offline, paper not screenshot, then turn on security settings, then press on security and then enable passcode biometrics, and then verify you are on the right network for what you want to buy. Before you buy, decide what coin and which network you need. USDC exists on multiple networks: Ethereum, Solana, BSC, and many more. And then we have Ethereum is typically on Ethereum, and BNB may be on BNB Smart Chain. In Trust Wallet, tap buy or the plus sign or buy button depending on app version, and then search and select the asset: Bitcoin, Ethereum, anything. And then if you are prompted to choose the network, pick the one you actually plan to use, and then start your card purchase. On the buy screen, enter the USD amount you want to spend, and then Trust Wallet will show one or more third-party providers. Compare total fees, estimated amount received, and delivery time, and then choose your suitable provider, and then press on continue. Then complete identity verification if required. Most providers require verification in the US, so enter your personal details, name, address, DOB, and then upload ID, driver's license or password. And then sometimes you will do face scan or selfie. Wait for approval, can be instant or sometimes it can take longer. And then pay with your credit card. Enter credit card details, card number, expiry, and CSV. And then the billing address must match your bank. And then confirm the purchase summary, amount, fees, crypto received. Complete any bank security step, 3D secure, SMS code or app approval, and then submit the order. Now confirm you received the crypto in Trust Wallet. Go back to Trust Wallet home. If you don't see the token, tap the manage token slider icon top right, and then search the token and enable it. Tap the token to see the balance and transaction history. Optional, you can swap into a different crypto. If you bought something like Ethereum but want another token, tap swap or DEX swap section, choose from two tokens and the network, and then confirm the fees, network gas plus swap fee, and then press on swap, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.